Now in this video, I want to show you guys how you can get started with widgets and sidebars. So to get those set up, we go to Appearance and then go to Theme Options. And with your sidebar, okay, all the options are right here for the sidebar. So go through those options and you can see how you want to get them set up, particularly for the pages and the sizing and all that. Okay, but in order to set up those widgets, go to Appearance and Widgets. When they say widgets, they refer to the ones at the bottom, at the footer, and also on the actual sidebars themselves. So let me show you really quick right here. On this demo right here, okay, down here in the this is just above the footer. So these are widgets right here. There's 4 columns, and it has 4 different items right there. And of course, the sidebar would be all this stuff right over here from my blog. Okay, so in order to set those up or to edit those, as I said, you'll go to Appearance and then go to Widgets. And so here we can see the blog sidebar. And this has a whole ton of different items that you want there. Okay, so you probably don't want this many things in your sidebar. I have about 4. And so this is just kind of by default. It has, oh geez, this looks like about 15 to 20. And so what you do is you just arrange these as you like. All the options are over here on the left. Okay, and all you have to do is take whatever you like and drag it over. Once you drag it over, it'll open up. And so for instance, this little add link right here, you can do like a little image right there. And then you just hit save. If you want to delete anything, all you have to do is expand it and delete it. Okay, and then you can, like I said, you can rearrange anything. So for a sidebar, you know, having something like recent post, tag cloud, I see a lot of people have that. If you want to do text, text is something that you could use if you wanted to put in some HTML code, something like that. If you had a certain thing you want to put in, all you have to do is just copy and paste it. If you put the title on it, it'd be like this title right there. That'd be right above whatever the item is. Okay, and then for your footer, which would be these down here, you have footer 1, 2, 3, and then up here is number 4. And it's the same thing. You just open it up and you'll choose from over here, you know, any of these that you want there, and you just basically just grab it and pull it down and you drop it right where you want it. So it's very easy to set up. You just have to actually spend some time and find the widgets that you want to display on your website and make it look good and uniform. But it's really easy to get set up. So I wanted to show you that really quick in case that's something that you wanted to put on your website. If you have any questions, just let me know.